Hi everyone, Tohan Jitendra this side, and today I'm going to teach you 12 strikes of Abcedario from Pekiti Tirsia Filipino martial arts. For this you need a single stick, okay? Now, now I'm showing you the starting position. This is called Hundat position, okay? And when you hold the stick, give 2 finger gap or 4 finger gap, okay? As per your need. So I'm giving only 2 finger gap at the end, okay? And then keep your stick here. So this is your check hand, okay? In center, and this is your, like, you are pointing the stick towards your opponent, and you need to sit in this position, like the maximum weight on your back leg. So 80% weight on your back leg, 20% weight on your forward leg, and this is the starting position. I'm showing you from the sideways. Okay, now, so this is called Hundat position. Okay, I am here. Now you need to take load from here to start the drill. So it's like a reverse thrust to the eye and then bring here. So this is a shoulder load. Okay, after that you can hit hack, or this is a check hand. If your opponent is hitting something, you're blocking. Okay, so this is like checking hand, check hand. Okay, now come back. Now lift your leg up, put it on a 180-degree line, and now go in the side shuffle footwork, and then hit the temple first. This is the horizontal strike on the temple, and now take load. That's it. Now from here you need to go on number 2. So now bring this leg here, okay, on again on 180-degree line, and then hit from here. So this is number 2, and then open your hand again. Now 3 is on the elbow. Remember, 1 and 2 on the temple, 3 and 4 on the elbow. So 1 is high line and another is medium line. So now 3, okay, and bring it here. Now number 4, again you have to do inside shuffle. So hit the elbow and then come here. Now bring your load here, because from here you need to do thrust. So when you do thrust, you need to take load here. Now again open your hand, okay. Now lift the hand up. Imagine that your opponent is hitting you angle number 5. So you need to lift his hand up and then thrust to the groin. This is your number 5. Now from here you need to go number 6. Number 6 is hit the head to the toe, or you can go collarbone to the toe down. Keep your stick down, okay, and bend your body a little forward. Okay, now from here take load again. Now hit the knee. This is number 7. So you are hitting the horizontal strike to the knee and bring it here. Number 8 is a reverse thrust, okay, and now take load here. So it's like number 8 thrust, and now bring your stick and then take load, because after this you need to hit number 9. Number 9 is the thrust to the heart. This is your number 9. Number 8 is you need to hold your wrist. It's called a quantum grip. So it's like a diagonal Wittig, okay, here, because the angle 1, if your opponent is hitting angle number 1 on your neck, so you are going to block that strike. Now after that, ride on and take your body straight, okay, and now cut from the center. This is your number 10, okay, and now come up, join your both feet, hold your stick, and now hit the stick on the bridge of the nose. This is number 11. Now again you need to create a circle, like a circling power. So you need to take from down, join your feet again, and then now this time you need to leave your stick, okay, and this is the finger thrust to the groin or finger jab to the groin, or this is the strike on the nose or eyes, okay, and then hit number 12. In this, your body should be, your body weight should be forward like this. So 1 hitting, okay, because it's a power generation. So 1 and now 2 hit like this. Now I'm going to show you in a flow. So start from the Hundat position. Okay, now hack, open hand. Now go to sideways, hit the temple, hack again, hit the elbow, hack again. Now lift the hand up, number 5 thrust to the groin, number 6 collarbone to toe. Now load again, number 7 on the knee, number 8 thrust. Okay, now come back. Number 9 is forward thrust, number 10 is block, and now down, cut from the center. 11 is hit of the bridge of the nose, and now 12 is this. Thank you so much, guys. Practice this and see you in next tutorial. Thank you so much.